Okay, people of Anycubic, there is a problem with the Kobra Max again. So I did a test on the machine, and I did the vibration test, and I did like a bed leveling, but look what it's doing now. For some reason the zero have a new location and it's very high, so the machine don't go all the way down. So let's do auto level. Go in here, we're doing auto level, and we confirm it, and then look what will happen. So it's gonna go to all the direction, but it's staying quarter-inch above the bed. It's not actually touching it at all, and even when you do the test, it's hovering way above the surface. And the problem started after I did a bed leveling, and I did the resonate test for it when it's vibrate. So now when it's coming down, you see it's staying very high. Look again, next position. It's gonna stay very, very high. So it's supposed to move right now, and it's supposed to do the next step, and it will just pour in the material without actually even doing anything. I don't know why it's even doing that. This is something new. I don't know if you guys did an update that don't work, but this seems to be what it's doing right now. And then again, it stays very high. It's not even going all the way down. Let's move this. Okay, so it's going down over there, and it's trying to clean, and then it's gonna stay very, very low to the ground, but still it's about quarter-inch above where it's supposed to be. It's supposed to do the cleaning now, and again it's just sitting there. And now when it's gonna start moving again, this is on a step 2. And in a second it's gonna start moving again, and you're gonna see that it stay high, it's not coming back down, and the Z adjustment haven't been touched. I don't know why it's decided about this new setting by itself, but the machine did an update, and then I did a bed leveling, and then this is what's going on with it. So now it's kind of stuck a little bit. The bed is already warm, and it's still not getting to where I want it. Okay, now it starts moving again, and it's touched the button over there, and then you're gonna see it's gonna stay high for the entire test. You see it's staying way too high. It's not touching the surface at all. So what is the problem? How do you fix something like that? Because I cannot lift the bed up because there is no way from, and I cannot lower the head because there is not a switch that when it's come down it's actually tell it to stop. Please send me email what I need to do to fix this, because again it's not touching the surface at all, and it's doing it for the entire time.